Hello friends, my name is Erik Mayol. I'm with Denison Yachting, Newport Beach, California. Welcome to Lady Laura. She's a beautiful 2004 Horizon motor yacht flybridge. Come on aboard and let's have a look. The flybridge on this yacht is one of my favorite spaces. For entertaining, this is really the place to be, with visibility all around, a very large dinette, and then if you go aft, you have a boat deck that converts into a balcony. The cowl deck that has just been updated to be fully enclosed blends seamlessly with the main salon. Thanks for joining me today aboard the Lady Laura. For more information or a private showing, feel free to call me anytime. Take care and see you on the water.